Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup package.json dependencies for team consistency, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your terminal or command prompt. Navigate to your project's root directory. Run the command to generate a list of installed packages. Use npm list depth equals 0 to view all dependencies. To save this list to a file, run npm list depth equals 0 dependencies.txt. This file now contains all the dependencies your project currently uses. Next, you'll create a backup of your existing package.json file. Run cp package.json package.json.bak to create a backup of your package.json. In case you need to restore it, you can simply refer to this backup file. Now, to ensure consistency among team members, share both files. Include the dependencies.txt and the package.json.bak file in your version control system. Encourage your team to regularly update the dependencies.txt file. Whenever someone adds or removes a dependency, they should regenerate the list. This can be done by repeating the npm list depth equals 0 dependencies.txt command. Make it a practice to keep the backup of package.json in sync. Remind your team including the backup in their regular review process. Regular reviews minimize inconsistencies across different development environments. Following these steps will help maintain team consistency in managing package dependencies. Now your project is set up for better collaboration. This backup process ensures everyone is on the same page with dependencies. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.